Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to send an email to someone on Gmail. First, open your Gmail app, or you can also open Gmail on your browser. If you are not already signed in, enter your email address and password to log into your Gmail account. Once you are logged in, you will be on the Gmail main page. In the bottom right corner, click on the Compose button. This will open a new message window. In the new message window, you'll see several fields. In the To field, enter the email address of the person you want to send the email to. If you want to send the email to multiple people, you can add more email addresses separated by commas. Next, move to the Subject field and enter a brief description of the email's topic. This helps the recipient understand what the email is about at a glance. Now, click in the large text box below the Subject field and type your message. If you need to attach files to your email, click on the paperclip icon at the top of the message window. This will open a File Explorer window where you can select the files you want to attach. Once selected, click Open and the files will be attached to your email. After you've finished writing your email and attaching any files, review your message to make sure everything is correct. When you are ready to send your email, click the Send button at the top right corner of the new message window. And that's it. You've successfully sent an email using Gmail. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you would consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. And I will see you in the next video.